Hi Rachel, could you explain what airline insurance covers? I know it's different from general aviation insurance.
Sure, airline insurance covers commercial airlines and protects against risks related to passengers, crew, aircraft damage, and third-party liabilities. It's more complex due to the scale, larger planes, more passengers, and greater potential damage.
What are the main types of coverage?
The main coverages include hull insurance, which covers physical damage to the aircraft, passenger liability, which protects the airline from claims made by passengers injured or killed in accidents, third-party liability, which covers damages to third parties, and crew liability, which provides coverage for injuries to the airline's crew.
Are there any special add-ons?
Yes, airlines can add war risk insurance to cover war, terrorism, hijacking, and sabotage. Another option is loss of license insurance, which helps pilots if they lose their licenses due to medical reasons.
How does hull insurance for airlines differ from general aviation?
It's much larger in scale. In general aviation, we insure private planes worth a few $1,000,000. For airlines, we're talking about commercial jets worth hundreds of millions. So the risks and potential losses are far greater.
How are premiums determined?
Premiums are based on several factors, like the aircraft type, age, condition, and the airline's safety record. Routes flown also impact premiums. High-risk areas like war zones lead to higher premiums.
What should underwriters look for?
Underwriters need to assess the airline's safety practices, maintenance records, and pilot experience. Also, examine the claim's history and routes flown. Flying through areas with severe weather or political instability increases risks.
Are there exclusions?
Yes, common exclusions include wear and tear, negligence, and unlicensed flying. War and terrorism are often excluded unless the airline adds war risk coverage.
How does the claims process work?
When an incident occurs, the airline reports it immediately. The insurer investigates, assesses the damage or liability, and helps manage repairs, legal claims, or passenger compensation.
What are the current trends in airline insurance?
There's growing focus on cyber risk coverage. Airlines rely heavily on digital systems, so there's a need for coverage against hacking or cyber attacks. Also, with environmental concerns rising, some airlines are exploring insurance options related to sustainability and carbon footprint reduction.
I hadn't thought about cyber risks for airlines. That's an important area to cover.
Yes, cyber risks are becoming more relevant. As airlines rely more on technology, it's essential to address potential digital threats alongside traditional risks.
Thanks for explaining, Rachel. I understand airline insurance much better now.
You're welcome. It's a complex area, but breaking it down into key coverages helps make it clearer.